Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Standing outside my residence here in East Haven, Connecticut. We have been struck here with a blizzard, an unexpected blizzard. We were anticipating a decent snowstorm to come over the night, which started around 11 o'clock last night and continued on through the night into the morning, where it then turned into some sleet and ice, which were making for terrible driving and road conditions. But then it started to ease up and people started to come out and start shoveling and start cleaning off their cars. As you can see here, we have a guy attempting right here. This guy's driving a Nissan Altima. I don't know where they think they're going, but out of nowhere we started to get mass amounts of snowfall again. This was unexpected. We've now accumulated an additional, I'd say, 3 inches on top of what we've had all night. Winds are ripping by right now. You got these snowflakes about the size of golf balls coming down, ladies and gentlemen, okay? It's starting to accumulate quickly. As you can see, it's hard to make out what's the street, what's the sidewalk, what's people's properties. It's just a sea of whiteness that we're looking at here, okay? And I'm bundled up as best as I can. You know, the only thing lacking is maybe a scarf. The neck's getting a little bit cold here. But I'm on my way to the Chinese place. It's about a mile up the road. And me and the family at the house are hungry, and someone's got to feed the family. So I've took it upon myself to venture out into the frozen tundra here, into this blizzard, and see if we can get some Chinese food to bring home. Because if there's one thing that's for sure, is that the Chinese places are always open. But we're gonna keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully when I get there, they are open, or else this entire adventure is a waste. As you can see, I've come kind of to a detour here. So the sidewalk, which looked like it was possibly snowblowed or shoveled early this morning, has come to a complete stop here. And we're looking at snow about 2 feet high, which I'm not going to attempt to walk through. So it looks like we're crossing the street here, okay? As you can see, you look down into this hole here. I mean, you're talking 2 feet for sure. I mean, there could be animals living down there. I don't know. But I'm gonna hold on here. I'm gonna make my way. My foot's gonna go right down into. We're knee deep. We're knee deep. We're knee deep. Okay. All right, we're crossing. We're crossing. I see now I'm kind of in a predicament here. I can't really. There's a huge mound dividing the street from the sidewalk. So I'm literally in the middle of the street right now. And it doesn't look like I'm going to be getting to the sidewalk anytime soon. We're going to have to stay on the street here, which is definitely easier walking conditions. And the wind's really starting to pick up out here. I should have probably propped this up a little bit better, but I'll survive. I'm a warrior. I've been through worse things than this. We got some tow trucks, some plow trucks up ahead at the intersection. Looks like they're starting to make some work, drop some dirt on the roads, and most schools in the area have been canceled. Work has been canceled. I contacted all of my clients today, told them there was no way I'm driving in today for a couple of exercises. Not worth it. But we gotta eat. We gotta eat. So I'm making this trip. This is our survival instincts, is to eat. There's no way around that. Alright, getting back onto the sidewalk here. As you can see how deep the sidewalk is. Actually, my feet are disappearing into the snow as I step. Okay. We got another. Oh, we got a mailman out. These mailmen, you got to give these guys credit. They will deliver your mail no matter what the conditions. Crossing over to the sidewalk here. I can't believe this mailman's out right now. I don't know if these trucks got four-wheel drive or what. This guy. Oh yeah. Let's see if we get an interview. How's it going?
How you doing?
They make you guys come out here in this?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't matter, right?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Got a job to do.
That's it. He's got a job to do. People are getting their mail no matter what, right?
Have it going. Be careful.
All right, you too. That's the mailman, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'm about 6 minutes into this walk. I can't feel my lower lip. My chin's almost have frostbite on it. We're approaching here now the storefronts coming up on the Chinese restaurant soon. Fingers crossed. As you can see, all these businesses are closed. Absolutely. Except for, these are the two businesses that will always be open. The liquor stores, wine and liquor stores, people are drinking, that's all they're doing today. And Chinese restaurants, hopefully. Those are the two stores that you will always see open in the middle of a blizzard. Here we come. All right. We're approaching now. Pizza place? Tell me that these guys are open. Are they open? That's it. Here we are. China Star. Open 24/7, ladies and gentlemen. You can always count on these guys. All right, I'm gonna be in. I'll get my food and I'll let you know how it works out. So we're back. Success. We've got the Chinese food. General Tso's chicken combo, an orange chicken combo, and a pint of veggie fried rice. That is what's going to get us through the rest of this night during this blizzard. Now, we just have to make it home alive. The liquor store, these guys just hanging out. I literally think the Chinese people just live there at the store. I think they just live upstairs. I don't think they ever really leave. They're just always open. All right, so I can already tell that this walk back is going to be tougher than the walk here, because now we are going against the wind, and the wind is really making it difficult to keep my eyes open and walk. It's smacking me in the face right now, this wind. I feel like temperature dropped 10 degrees from the time I was inside the Chinese place. The snow is still heavily coming down. No word on when this was supposed to stop. This was never even supposed to happen. This was not even supposed to pick up again. This was supposed to be over this morning. And it looks like this is just never gonna stop. You got the American flag just, oh, it's cold. Flag just whipping through the air. That guy almost just got murdered. That guy crossing the intersection almost just got ran over by a vehicle. Completely demolished. This guy's just walking through the middle of the street. These cars are just flying through with no regard to his safety or theirs. Again, look at this. Look at the action here. Look at this action. Alright, I gotta keep moving. I can't feel any parts of my face anymore. I gotta pick it up. I can't stay out here anymore. I have icicles hanging from my chin. We gotta plow. Alright. I don't know what this guy's doing over here in the middle of the road. I gotta watch where I'm stepping here. I gotta watch my foot placement. There's no sidewalk on this street. It's just, I just gotta walk in the road for this one. I got people bundled up in hoodies in their cars, looking at me out here like I'm absolutely insane. There's the intersection behind me. I got about a half a block or so down this road before I've reached safety. I got a car coming right at me, folks. I got this car coming right at me. I'm gonna try to just get over here on the side of the road just a little bit. Thank you. Alright. Okay. This is a lot of snow. This was a lot of snow here today. Alright, we're gonna try to cross the other side of the road. See if this sidewalk's any better. Yep, doesn't really look like it. You can really tell that there was some early shoveling and snow blowing of the sidewalk, but we've gained easily another 4 to 5 inches on this already. At least. We're looking at about maybe 1.5 feet of snow total at this point, with no hints of this letting up anytime soon. That guy's driving a Subaru, one of the best cars made for weather conditions like this. All-wheel drive. I decided on today to take the foot route. Alright. This is deep here, because what I'm coming up on is an area that was not shoveled or snowblowed at any point today. So this is really showing how deep snow is. I mean, I'm gonna try to. It's hard to explain. Oh, almost went down there. Almost went down. It's hard to really. Oh yeah, I'm going knee deep into this right now. I don't know why I'm still living in this part of the country. Okay, I gotta keep moving. We're almost there. I can see the house in the distance through the blizzard snow falling. I can see the outline of my house. Or is it a mirage? I got the Chinese food in my hands. When I walk through these doors, I will be a hero. I will be celebrated as a hero, delivering food to the famished. Here we are. I can't feel my fingers anymore, even with the gloves on right now. I got frostbite in 3 of my fingers. As I come down the driveway, This has been a successful mission in the blizzard. I've made it home alive. And I got the Chinese food. Until next time, be safe, everybody.